Hurricane Milton unleashed terror as at least 29 violent tornadoes ripped through parts of Florida, leaving a trail of horrific damage. On Wednesday night, around 7:30 p.m. local time, Milton created a giant tornado 1,000 meters high that hit the coast with strong winds and torrential rain, creating a chaotic scene. Before Milton officially made landfall, about 3,000 homes were flooded and crushed under the hurricane, turning places that were once homes into rubble. Like the sea. The storm blew out the entire state's power grid, causing power outages across the city, leaving more than 3 million homes and businesses in desperate darkness. More than 100,000 residents have now sought shelter in evacuation centers, where fear and insecurity creep into every breath. The National Weather Service and local authorities are racing against time to assess all the damage and verify the number of devastating tornadoes that have swept through. Florida remains gripped by terror as rescue teams and authorities try to get people to safety, fix power and water problems, and face an uncertain future. The meteorologist warned of the unprecedented danger of Milton's tornadoes, saying, "Rarely do we see tornadoes this strong in a storm. This is an epic twister. It's scary. We will update new news from Storm Milton. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the news." Hello, and see you soon.